Hey everyone, I just want to let you know that I'm back from my trip to Florida and I'm working on videos. But I made a mistake in this second part of the video when I referred to a fish as a grunt. A few of the fish I caught, I believe, were the Caesar grunt, but some of them were pigfish. So forgive me. Now here's the video. All right, so it's part 2 of my adventures here in Florida. I am on the west coast, right along the Gulf. Behind me is Indian Rocks Beach. I'm at the Causeway. And I've decided to see if I can try to catch a fish out here. I think I just had a bite, so let's see. That's definitely a bite. Let's see if there's a fish on the end of it. A little piece of fish bites. Circle hook. There's grass on the bottom of it. But I was definitely getting a bite. Oh yeah, I almost tore that fish bites off. You can see it bouncing. That's definitely a bite. I don't know, that might be one. That feels fishy. That feels like it's got a fish on it. That or it's a lot of grass. No, there's a fish on there. What have we got? And what have we got? Oh, we got a little pinfish. And you know what? That's okay with me. A little pinfish. Perfectly fine with me. Because it's a caught fish. Get that out of your mouth and let you go. So I forgot to mention right when I actually turned the camera on, this is Clearwater Harbor. Causeway Boulevard is actually going behind me over onto Indian Rocks Beach. I'm down here for Christmas visiting my son and his girlfriend. They're busy this evening. My wife is back at the hotel watching football like she likes to do. Me personally, I enjoy fishing more than watching TV, so that's why I'm out here. I'm getting bites. I think they're all pinfish, but I don't care. Yeah, they're small, but you know what? They're tugging on the other end of the line, and I'm having fun. Plus, it's December 25th, Merry Christmas, and I'm ankle deep in the water, completely comfortable. Those of you back home in Southern Maryland, I'm hearing that the temperatures are pretty cool there. I'm sorry, I'm having fun down here in Florida. Fish bites on a circle hook, little float, and 1 ounce pyramid sinker under the bridge. Put that out there into the deeper water. Another bite, more bites. Oh, come on. It's a circle hook, don't have to jerk. Let's put it back out there. It's a circle hook, don't have to jerk. Here under the bridge, and we've got something. It's small though. What have we got? That's a little grunt. That's a little grunt. I hear you, buddy. Okay, fish number 2 under the bridge. Another grunt or something else? What do we got? Pinfish? I don't know, can't tell from here. Get it off the rocks. That's a pinfish. Yep, little pinfish, but that's okay. We'll get him back out there. Kind of figured that's what I was going to find when I got down here. If that's a fish, it is small. It's a fish. And it is small. Yeah, little pinfish. Little pinfish. Get that out of your mouth. Do a half gainer back into the water. So that first area along the bridge was a little shallower. I mean, it might have been 2 or 3, maybe 4 feet deep, because it did not take long for my sinker to reach bottom. I'm walking along the causeway right now, or I should say I'm walking underneath of it, and I'm going to go to the deeper portion. Maybe I catch something different. We'll have to find out. Pitch it out here. Nah, it doesn't seem much deeper. There's a bite already. There's something on there? Or did it get off? No, it got off, but that's okay. It's promising. Promising. All right, this has got a little heft to it. A little bigger fish. Not huge, but a little bigger. Yeah, a little bigger grunt. I did bring my fish board with me. And he's right at 8 inches. There you go, buddy. There's a fish. Another grunt. Pinfish. It's not big. It's not big. But it's another little grunt. Another little grunt. Yeah, it's small. But is it a pinfish or a grunt? What do we got? Oh, he's really small. Yep, little small grunt. So the sun's going down, so I need to get back to the car because, of course, I've got to walk through the water a little bit to be able to get there. I'll be back tomorrow. For you, it'll be just a couple seconds, but I'll be back tomorrow because I might want to try something else. So hold on for a moment. I'll see you in just a second. The grunt. Guess what we've got? We've got another grunt. I hear you. Using a wiggler jig this morning, along with a little teaser hook, piece of fish bites. I got a pinfish. Yep, that's a pinfish. My hopes this morning were to come down here, catch a pinfish like I just did, and then put it on a decent sized circle hook and let it drift through this little channel. Just look through my stuff. I've only got size 1 and size 2 circle hooks. Nothing big enough to really hold on to that pinfish and a bait. Oh well. Gotta come prepared. Can it be? It is not. I think that's another grunt. And another grunt. Pretty fish. But I was hoping for something different. So this morning wasn't as fruitful as I wanted it to be, but that's okay. Again, caught a new species of fish because I've never caught a grunt before. I think that puts me at 68 or 69 different species, which I'm pretty happy with. It's been a fantastic trip down here in Florida, but tomorrow we start the drive back up to southern Maryland and we find out what it's going to be like up there. Who knows? Maybe I'll plan out where my first fish of the year is going to be caught. Hope you've enjoyed this one. Let me know in the comments. Like, subscribe if you haven't, and until next time, tight lines.